Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making some jerk sauce. So we're going to start off with some onion. I used a medium onion, one medium onion. You're going to add in some garlic. This is 4 cloves of garlic, 3 stalks of scallion, thyme, and you're going to blend. Here I am showing you how you blend it out, very small pieces. Then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of mild jerk sauce, 3 tablespoons of jerk marinade, and you're going to also put some sazon in there, 5 pimento seed, about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, ginger, and also some Maggi jerk seasoning. And you're going to blend everything together. And once you're finished blending, you're going to pour it into your bowl or into your container and store it in the fridge for, I believe, didn't last me that long because I used it really fast. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.